Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to my desktop. I have something quick to share with everybody. Just a quick fix. And you see my desktop got a little bit, the water issue is getting clogged. So basically I bought a bottle from Home Depot and I pull this out and I pour this bottle in and get in there for a couple hours and then the water come out quickly, no problem at all. But the trouble is, and when I want to put it back, I couldn't. That is, I'm new to this plumber work, so I made some investigation. I find out this is not, it's actually not a straight down pipe. It's a pipe going down a little bit, then going 90 degrees back in the wall. The main pipe is behind the wall here, actually, right behind the wall here. So a little bit investigation, and I already saw that make a big mess. I couldn't put it back, so I look at it. I basically see, I kind of see the pipe is down there, and then is behind that. There's the hole is right down. There's a down and going backward. So I'm going to, not too bad. So I'm a little bit feel straight now. See this one, it doesn't directly go straight down. It's actually go down and go 90 degree on the side. So here's what I'm gonna do. Use this one, help me out, and then put it here and push it backward and then slowly going back. Yeah. No more. All right, let's see. I really hope this works, right? Yeah. All right. Let's see. Yep. Okay, pretty good. All right. Phew. Yeah, I already saw I made a mess. Anyway, just a quick showing how this is called the guide and armed. And I will put the model number down there. If you have the same model like this one, you don't know, you're new to this one, you don't know how to put it back. And it always helps something like this to help it out. You put it right back. And it looks easy. I know it looks easy, but if you haven't figured out, if you don't see this, it's pretty weird. You make a big mess. So anyway, that's just a quick one today, and hope this helped. I will put the model number under my video. All right. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.